LSK Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a fun PB&J. What you'll need for this is bread, peanut butter, jelly, and a cookie cutter, and a knife, and a plate. So first we're going to be taking our bread. Oh, and it needs to be sliced bread. So I'm going to take my bread, and then my cookie cutter. And I'm just going to cut two of the same things out. Just going to do this. I'm just going to take it like so. You can just push it out. And mine turned out as a duck. And you just want to cut the same one again. Like so. Just take it off. Like this. And move that aside. And my other duck shape. Now I'm going to be taking my peanut butter and my knife, just scooping a decent amount on it. And then I'm just going to spread it onto my shape, all over my duck shape. It should look like this. Alright. Now I'm going to be taking my jelly and scoop it on the other piece of my duck, or your shape. And again, take a decent amount. Oh my goodness. Come on, jelly. It's a little slippery to get out, so be very careful. This might take a little bit. Here we go. Alright. So then I'm just going to take my duck and stack it on top of this duck. Press it. Now I got a duck one. Then I'm going to come over here to wash my hands. Don't forget to use soap. You're supposed to sing 2 happy birthdays. And then I'm just going to clean my mess up. And then you can pair this with a Swimmy Gym or a chip. I'm going to be pairing it with a Swim Gym. Let me get my Swim Gym. Or some chips. And that's what you can do. Bye guys.